Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna make the funfetti cake, the premium cake. This is the store-bought, is Pillsbury, and I bought 2 packs of this. So in my bowl I already have one, and this has sprinkles in it. I'm gonna put everything together, and all you have to do is follow the instruction in the back. Since I'm not using egg, is a substitute for either the Greek yogurt or applesauce. So today I'm gonna be using the applesauce. That's the first time I will be using the applesauce. So I'm gonna go ahead and follow the instruction in the back. I'm gonna go put my oil. I'm doubling the recipe because I have 2 boxes. So the oil, 1 cup. It's supposed to be half a cup, but it's 1 cup. 1 cup of water. Actually 2 cups of water because I doubled the recipes. And then the applesauce. I'm gonna go ahead and mix everything up and show you what's next. Okay, so I just mixed everything together. You don't want to mix it too much, and you just want to mix it like till it gets smooth. And then I have my 10 by 10 Wilton baking pan. I'm gonna go ahead and pour everything in, and I coat it with butter so that it won't stick on the bottom. Okay, so I went ahead and put in my 10-inch baking pan. So if you, at this point, if you want to add any more sprinklers or anything to it, you could go ahead and add it, but it came with it, so I'm not gonna add anymore. So I'm gonna go ahead and bake this on for I think 25 minutes. Yep, bake it for 350 degrees for 25 minutes. Okay, so I took my cake out the oven, and this is how it looks. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it once it cool down. Okay, so now that my cake is cooled down, I'm gonna go ahead and add the Pillsbury vanilla frosting. So I'm just gonna put like a little bit on top. If you didn't like the frosting, you could just leave it like that and cut it and eat it. But yeah guys, if you like my video, click your thumbs up, and thank you for watching.